This is what I want to talk about. It comes with this spray bottle. By the way, this was the most complicated part of it. It took me 10 minutes to figure out you had to push down and open it. So if you're ever having like, you know, a bad day and you think, oh, so-and-so's got it figured out. No, they don't. No, they don't. I'm a lawyer. I'm an attorney. I passed the bar first time, sat there for 10 minutes, could not figure out how to open this jar. So just remember that. We all need help, folks. Yeah, so the Bond Repair treatment comes with these two like bottles, glass bottles. You pour one into this, you pour water to fill it up, you shake it as much as you possibly can, and then you spray it on dry hair. And then you basically soak your hair in it and you let it sit 10 minutes. You can sleep in it if you want to. And then you wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. The only thing I would say for my hair, because my hair is so dense and there's so much of it because it's so long now, I used up like half a bottle, just one treatment, because I have so much hair to get it wet. You can see the pictures. So yeah, if you have a lot of hair or very thick hair, it's going to take you're going to use a lot of it. So you'll have to buy new ampules like more often because they suggest you do it 1 to 2 times a week. So you get the idea. But the before and after pictures will tell you right there the difference between like a normal, like, you know, okay, it's a good conditioner. No, this is not, this is a repair treatment. It actually changed my hair. Like it actually helped fix it. I am truly impressed. And I had to say, my hair's softer, it's stronger, and it's healthier, which is exactly what they promised. My hair is colored, I get it colored. My hair grows very fast, grows about an inch, almost an inch a month. It's very fast. And so it's damaged because of that. And even though it's healthy because I have really thick hair, it doesn't matter. It still gets damaged from coloring. And my hair is like half white now too, which is one of the reasons I color as much as I do anyway. And this worked. If you're trying to grow your hair out, if you have frizzy hair, if you have dry hair, if you have hair that's just, you know, damaged in any way, shape, or form, you've been outside, this really works. And because I wrote to them and told them how absolutely amazing this was, they were kind enough to give us a discount code. So with the code Jennifer Flynn, which I'll put down below just in case, you know, I'm not making any sense, you can get 20% off when you buy on their site. 20% off. So I'm just going to go buy a bunch of ampules so I have them. And once you mix it up, like once you do it in the thing and shake it up, you can keep this for 2 months. So you don't have to shake it up and then like whatever you don't use, throw away. You can leave it in there for 2 months. So that's plenty of time. So again, 20% off with my code.